Hey friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a colorful cube out of a colorful paper. So this is the cube we're going to make. See how colorful it is. So let's get started. So first we need a square paper. After that try to fold it like this. First take a square paper, next fold it like this. After folding it, open it. After that, let it do like this. The same way on the other side. So friends, after doing this, you have to take this part and make it like this. So you can see a triangle shape. Same way on the other side. Friends, after doing it, open this and you can see like this. Open it like this and put it over here inside. So after that, close it. Same way on the other side. Let's close it. So now friends, open it and you can see over here. Put it like that and close it. The same way on the other side. So go back. So take this part and put it over here. So you can see a triangle shape. The same way on the other side. So friends, you can see I have made it. So you have to make like that 5 more. Friends, this one I had already made it. So after doing this, I'm taking one like this and taking the orange part and I'm fitting it inside over here. So friends, after doing it, I want to take the yellow one and I'm going to attach it over here. So friends, now take the red one and attach it to the yellow one. Like this. So after doing this, I'm attaching the light yellow one. I'm attaching it over here. So you can see the orange one. Take it out and attach it to the light yellow color. Attaching it. Friends, after things I'm taking the green one, so I'm attaching it over here. And you can see the yellow one, I'm attaching the yellow one to the green one. So friends, after doing it, you can see the green one, attach the green one to the red one. So friends, I had finished attaching the green one to the red one. So the last part, take that light green one and attach it to the green. After that, take this one out, go like this and attach it to the orange one. After attaching, take this light yellow and attach it to the light green one. So the last thing is take the red one and attach it to the light green one. So friends, you can see that colorful cube has been ready.